Your Majesty, Ekrenimem, this is my first time since I started going to local government for a thank you visit. I've never been to any traditional ruler's house to pay courtesy visit. I decided not to do that. In fact, the chairman of Bonnet called me and said that I'll be touching the palace. I said, no, I'm not coming. I don't want to bring politics to the traditional land. Well, I'm here because you're my personal friend. You're my personal friend. So that people will not misinterpret what I came to do. It will be wrong for me to finish without visiting my friend, so that people should write well. I thank you for me to also see the traditional rulers to say Happy New Year to Her Royal Majesty and members of the Council of Chiefs. Why we came is to thank our people who have supported us all this while. The people of Okrika, the people of the Ijaw Nation have supported us very, very well. And so I felt that it should be proper, since we're to thank them for their support. We don't take their support for granted. We are very grateful people. When you do something for us, we appreciate it and we say thank you. And to let you know that we'll soon start politics. We'll soon start politics. I didn't say you should be involved. Don't be involved. Allow us to play our politics. Stay as a traditional ruler. I don't want anybody to say tomorrow, oh, you are putting your hand. Don't put hand. But that does not mean that you don't have anybody to support your mind. But allow us to play our game. If there's any problem, you call us to settle. But I want to tell you that it will not be business as usual again. All of us have taken decision on what to do. So that I believe those of them who are children will tell you the decision we have taken, just for your ears, not for you to participate. You're my friend. So I don't want us, in fact, why I've not becoming sick, because based on your stool, I don't want anybody to say, oh, Amarabo, you've cancelled the recognition. That's why I don't want to come since. But since I've come here, you will not be happy that I left without coming to greet you. So that's what we are here for. Amanebo, thank you for receiving us. Thank you for maintaining peace in your kingdom. When I was governor, Okrika is one of the local government communities that you hardly hear any crisis. So it is because of your style of governance. And I want to assure you to continue to maintain that style so that your place will be in peace. Any traditional ruler who cannot keep his place united is not worthy to be a traditional ruler. So I'm very happy. I've not had any crisis since he became the Amanabo of Old Okochiri Kingdom. On behalf of my friends, I say thank you again and God bless you.
This is your home. You have a traditional title here. So you are free to come to this place anytime. The land we gave to you is still there. Anytime you like, come and collect it. Build your house. So you are very free. We know that it's been a long day. So we said, let us just thank you and thank the entourage, good people. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. We will live here. His Majesty will take His Excellency and his entourage to his main house, while the chiefs and others will go to the banquet hall for small